How to make money online. 8 of the fastest and easiest ways to make money online. In today's digital age, the internet has opened up an abundance of opportunities for individuals to earn money online. Whether you are a student looking to make some extra cash or a professional seeking additional streams of income, there are numerous legitimate and accessible options available. Here are 8 of the fastest and easiest ways to make money online. 1. Online surveys. Companies are always seeking consumer feedback to improve their products and services. This has led to the rise of online survey platforms where you can earn money by participating in surveys. Websites such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars offer cash rewards or gift cards for completing surveys. While the pay may not be substantial, it's an easy way to make money in your spare time. 2. Freelancing. If you possess a specific skill set, freelancing can be a lucrative option to make money online. Services such as writing, graphic design, web development, and social media marketing are in high demand. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients seeking their expertise. Building a strong portfolio and receiving positive reviews are key to gaining more clients and increasing your earnings. 3. Online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, becoming an online tutor can be a great way to make money. Websites like VipeGuide, Tutor.com, and Chegg connect tutors with students from around the world. You can tutor in subjects such as math, science, languages, or even music. The flexibility to set your own rates and schedule makes it an attractive option for those looking to monetize their knowledge. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services on your website, blog, or social media platforms and earning a commission for each sale or lead generated through your referral. Websites like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Commission Junction offer affiliate programs across a wide range of niches. By creating valuable content and leveraging your audience, you can earn passive income through affiliate marketing. 5. Selling products online. Thanks to platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Shopify, selling products online has become more accessible than ever. Whether it's handmade crafts, vintage clothing, or digital products such as ebooks or online courses, there is a market for almost everything. Identifying a niche, building a strong brand, and effectively promoting your products can lead to a successful online business. 6. Virtual assistants. As businesses continue to embrace remote work, the demand for virtual assistants has increased. Virtual assistants provide administrative support, such as scheduling appointments, managing emails, and conducting research. Websites like Upwork and Remote.co connect virtual assistants with clients looking for their services. This option is ideal for individuals with strong organizational and communication skills. 7. Online coaching. If you have expertise in a particular field or possess valuable life skills, online coaching can be a highly rewarding venture. Whether it's fitness, career development, or personal finance, people are willing to pay for guidance and mentorship. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy allow you to create and sell your own online courses. With effective marketing strategies, you can create a scalable source of income. 8. Page writing. If you have a passion for writing, there are numerous opportunities to get paid for your work online. Content creation platforms like Medium, HubPages, and Series allow writers to submit articles on a wide range of topics. Additionally, other websites and blogs offer freelance writing gigs. By consistently producing high-quality content and building a strong portfolio, you can increase your chances of earning a significant income through writing. While these are just a few examples, the opportunities to make money online are vast. However, it's important to note that each of those methods requires effort, dedication, and patience. Success may not come overnight, but with persistence and the right mindset, you can create profitable online ventures and achieve financial independence.